Today's video, what we're going to do is we are going to show you how to install Android 12 beta, the brand new public beta, onto your smartphone. So let's dive in and get started. Now, first and foremost, I do want to let you know not all phones are eligible. Now, this update does bring a bunch of new changes to the table. So for example, the lock screen is going to be brand new, large clock in the middle, okay? Brand new login screen, a brand new widgets screen over here, and of course, let me just go back in there again. So the widgets are now organized in a better way. And of course, one of the biggest changes, a brand new control panel and a notifications panel. So what you want to do is you want to click the link down below. That's going to take you to my website. Now, once you're at the website, what you are going to see on the top over here is what devices are eligible. Now, of course, a bunch of Pixel devices are eligible. And then we have the OnePlus 9 and the 9 Pro. We don't have the OnePlus 8 yet on this list. We do have some Xiaomi phones. And of course, some Oppo, Realme, and Asus phones are also eligible. I'm not concerned about those. But if you scroll down just a little bit more, we have a bunch of important enrollment links. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get it done on the Pixel device, which is what I think most people will do. And I might make a guide for the OnePlus as well in a little bit. So depending on what phone you have, just click the link. So here it says enroll in Android beta for Pixel devices. So you simply click the link and they'll take you to the enrollment website on Google. Now, once you're at that website, you want to make sure you sign in using the same Google account that you have linked to your Pixel phone. So if you go to your Pixel phone, let me just go to my settings. This one has Android 12, obviously. But if I go into my accounts over here somewhere, whatever account that you have under here is the same account that you want to use on this website to sign in. Okay, so let me do that right now. So once you're signed in, that's going to disappear. And all you do is you go down a little bit. At the bottom, you are going to see your eligible devices. And they're going to show up right here. As long as you have an eligible Pixel device, it's going to show up right here. And at the bottom, you're just going to click opt in. And after you opt in, you have to take one more step, okay? So first opt in, make sure it's accepted. It's going to tell you that you are now in Android 12 beta program. And then what you do is you go to your settings in your older version. In fact, here's the older version. I'm just going to show you, this is Android 11. So over there, you would go into your settings, you would go into your system, and then you would tap on advanced, and then you would go into system update. And once you are eligible, you can simply click check updates now, okay? And it's gonna pop up right here. Then you install and restart the device. It's gonna pop up here automatically, just so you know, on your Android 11 device. And once the update is complete, it's gonna be transformed into this guy right over here. All right, so that was a quick update video to show you guys how to get Android 12 on your device. And again, we have a lot of visual changes. As you can see, the notification center is completely different. The control panel is completely different, okay? Looks much better in my opinion. If you go into widgets, we have a new widget styling and a whole bunch of other things that are going to show up as we get updates to our latest beta. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. Let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day, all right?